Introduce today, my sister a dress. For middle age. This one, I see the hand part. It will be a landslide. Heart neck. And I'll have a wedge on my waist and a strap. Tie vertical lone suong. This one is made of silk or 2. Ties, you will. It's made of soft fabric. To make this dress, I'll prepare the measurement. Boobs, waist, butt. The waist length that I made into the dress pattern. If you don't know how to measure, I'll review the measurement guide. And everyone's going to have their own metric. I'm going to use this metric and use the formula right after. The first step is to take the length of the shirt. It depends on the height of each of you. I got it right. It will come to a level. Across the ankle is 10 millimeters of gasoline. Then I'll take the shoulder line. I will be the shoulder here. Divided by 2, 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. I took it to 16 and then I dropped it to 4. I'll take her and divide it by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. I connect it through. I have a shoulder line. Then you lower your chest, starting at the point. Horizontal. Hey! I measure down a section with the chest. Divide by 5 and you add 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18. Take it from the top, take it down to 18. Then I'll take it across my chest. Is equal to the chest divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. And then we build a perpendicular line. I pulled back to gas. Split in 2. Split in 2 again. I'll draw the armpit line here. This hand is going to be the one. So you will. Measured from this shoulder to a gasoline. And I'm going to push starting from the point. At the top of my shoulders, I'm pushing out 5 more petrol. Then you'll build a perpendicular line. From this perpendicular line, we're going to handcuff. It's about the armpit line of the arm. Next, I'll take the lower part. If I lower my waist, I will make it equal to 35. It's also measured starting from the top horizontal line. I'm going down here to the lower part. And then we'll get the waist back. Divide by 4 and add by 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is 18. And then I'll take the lower part. I'll get my ass here. It starts at the waist. Down to the biggest point of the butt, I'll have my ass down. Of these 18, you will measure it on each person's body. And then we'll get the butt. Is equal to the butt divided by 4 plus 1 by 80. Divided by 4 plus 1 is 21. I took a road that was 21. I connected in. EO. Goes through the ass and this dress is plain. So you pull it straight down. And down here I've dropped 2 millimeters of gas. I'll take this dress and make it equal in size. 26 until 30 depending on you. And I'm going to get the frame of this shirt. Then the next one. 2. You're going to back out here at 8. Then I'll take the length down. It's 4 millimeters from these to ends. And then you can draw the vertical part there. The neck of this model is the heart neck. So from here I'm going to go back to 2.5. This heart is a shallow heart, so I'm going to get 8 gallons down here. Then you join in. Down 5 glasses. Here we'll get the front of the shirt. I'll cut it later to make a point. Retract the same as on the body. After you have done the body part. Before that, we're from here. I did it for the back. By being sisters. Up from the part. Up here is 2 meters of gas. I beat this part, you reduce it for me. 1 centimeter of gasoline. Then I connected this part. In this position, you are 1. Connect in. Then we'll get the body. Follow the red line. Then I hit up here through this red line. Then we go to the collar. 4. Look at the picture. We'll get the body. Follow the red line. Cut this red line. And cut it along the red line. Cut this red line. Then came the future. The body first, we will cut to the blue line. Blue line. Blue. Blue. The blue will belong to the front. I painted the body first. The back is so for you. It's easy to imagine a comparison. Now I'm going to start cutting the body of the shirt. When you cut it on paper, you just need to do a class. But on the fabric, you have to put the body back in half first. Now I pull out. Then I'll cut the back. Follow the red line. And this part doesn't have seams. You have to leave your seams in there. Here we will get the part. Body here. You will get the shirt. I cut it like this. Then the next. The back of my body is going to cut 1 centimeter here. But the body later before you cut. So, you guys put back your waist. Then take it out. divide it in half. This will be the back of your body. I multiply for a centimeter of because gasoline. This is a double fold fabric and will get the back of the shirt. After you do the part. After that, we will adjust. For the front body, I'll cut the old part. Then the shoulder. I'll reduce the part. The hips follow the blue line. And this one of mine doesn't have seams, so you have to cut the seams when we cut on the fabric. After I cut the body first. Now I will do it. Cut the back of the shirt. I cut the back of the body. So now we cut the body first. On this shirt you see us. There is a part. It's on the body. Here you cut this road open. And on the body of the shirt is this spot. You will arrange. Stack this glass. By the way, we're going to bring this glass back here. I've got this glass back here. So will this hip. You'll also fold it. Put this glass together. And then after you, I've got this hip back. This dress is from up here, ladies down. 3 gasoline. I hit the sidewalk. Let it release this glass. Then you'll open the first cut. And then you'll open the second cut. I also cut out 3 gasoline. I posted this part here. And we're going to cut the part. Next. Then after you get it. 3 degrees of openness on the one-way body. 2-way, 3-way. Each of these lines you will cut. Open up for yourself a segment that's 4 millimeters of gasoline. I'm going to cut 4 millimeters of like gas out. Then I'll put it back in the paper. You will have a cut. This piece of paper is so long. That's 4 millimeters of gasoline to widen this road. There are also for petrol. Distance 4 4 4. After we've got a 4 centimeter gas gap, then you'll connect this part. And I'm going to extend this, ladies. Desi Public. You guys have been fighting lately. And this distance you gave me is 12 to 14 centimeter gasoline. It depends on your height. High is wide, and low is wide. Open it narrower. When you do that, this part of the rope you're going to stretch out. One more paragraph. 50 gasoline. From here, you extend this section to 50 more gasoline, then we'll get the exact same sort of thing. To unpack this knob when you may, well, we're going to mess this up. You're upside down. It's automatically here, and it's kind of huddled. And you cut a similar part of the body. You sew this corner. On the other side, you sew from the bottom up. Then you roll this rope over and we'll tie it. Get the bow part. It's on the body. This is how you will. I made it for a dress like this. If anything is not clear, you will comment below. I'll see and respond to comments for you. Thank you Shin Cho and see you.